Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for ninth grade. Remember, this class is just listen, and then you have to copy on your notebook the questions, okay? Got it, this? So you listen and copy the questions if you don't mind, okay? So listen and copy questions and answer, of course. Okay, let's do it. Number one. Let's do it, number one. Could you talk about your best, Phil? Question one. Could you talk about your best, Phil? One. Two. Can you describe your best actor or actress? Can you describe your best actor or actress? Do it. Three. What is your opinion about Colombian films? Repeat. What is your opinion about Colombian films? So, what is your opinion about Colombian films? So, you tell me about that. Four. How can you learn English on internet? Repeat. How can you learn English on internet? How can you learn English on internet? Four. Five. How can we communicate without cell phone? Okay, that's a very good question. Listen, how can we communicate without cell phone? So how can we communicate without cell phone? Six. Are you addicted person to the cell phone? Why and why not? Repeat. Are you addicted person to the cell phone? Why not? Seven. Who's the person that you admire a lot? Who's that person that you admire a lot? Repeat. Seven. Who's that person that you admire a lot? Eight. Who's that person that you admire in Colombia? So tell me, who's that person that you admire in Colombia? Number nine, can you tell me something about your favorite person? Can you tell me something about your favorite person? Number 10, now you are a superhero. What would you like to change? Repeat. What would you like to change? Okay, let me see if I repeat the same. Repeat. Now you are a superhero. What would you like to change? So you write the question and copy. Now you are a superhero. What would you like to change? So these are the questions that you need to listen, you copy and answer on your notebook, and see you in the next class. See you So next class, individually, you're gonna read the question and answer the question for me, okay? So see you, bye-bye.